Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in this video we're going to be seeing how to create a button for the player to change their team. Now in my case I will be having a Pirates team versus the Vikings, so it's going to be quite an exciting video, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do once we open Roblox Studio, we're going to go to Replicated Storage and we're going to click plus. We're going to be adding a remote event and we need to right click and rename this remote event. We're going to rename it to ChangeTeam. Now make sure that you all rename it to the same way I did, so with a capital C and a capital T. Never do a space. Once that's ready, let's go ahead and go to the ServerScriptService and we're going to be adding a script. As always, all the scripts, they're going to be down in the comments and also in the description of this video. Once that's ready, let's go to the teams section and we're going to be adding 3 teams. So we're going to have the Pirates team, the Vikings team and also the choosing team. Let's rename the teams. So Pirates, Vikings, and then the choosing team. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Ctrl on the keyboard and select the Pirates and the Vikings. Once both of these teams are selected, let's turn off the auto assignable. Now I can choose the color for every team. In this case I'm going to choose really red for the Pirates, Vikings will be really blue, and then the choosing team I'm just going to change it to a yellow color, or as an orange, a deep orange. There we go. So basically that's all. So all that's left to do for now is to add the menu button and also the frame for the player to choose the teams. To do this, let's go to the starter GUI, we're going to click plus and add a screen GUI. Let's rename the screen GUI to, let's see, TeamChange. You can name this whatever you want, and then I'm going to click plus and add a frame. So this will be the frame that will show the player where to change their team. So in my case I will have a Pirate button and a Vikings button. Click plus on the frame and add a text button. Now I would suggest you starting off with one text button and then duplicating it. I will be fast forwarding this part of the video, but you can all either pause the video or slow the video down and watch it at your own pace. In this part I will just be customizing the button. So once I've finished my first text button, I'm just going to rename it to the team name. In my case it's going to be Pirate, and then duplicate the button. So there we go. Let's move the second button a bit more down. Let's make the frame a bit larger as well. And all that's left to do, change the text button name to Vikings, in my case, and then from here on we're just going to customize it again. So I'm going to fast forward this part as well. So there we go, so we have the Pirates and we also have the Vikings. Once both of them are ready, what we're going to do now, we're going to go to the TeamChange, I'm going to add a LocalScript, and I'm also going to add another text button. Now this time, the text button, rename it to menuButton, and make sure that you've added the menu button to the TeamChange that's not inside the frame. This button will be, so when the player clicks on this button, the frame where it says Pirate and Vikings will appear. The player can change their team. So I will be fast forwarding this part as well. What I'm going to do is changing and customizing this button. I'm going to go orange, I'm going to go gold. Let's see. There we go. So once you have the menu button all ready, all that's left to do is to make the frame for the Pirates and the Vikings and turn it off. So the visibility, let's turn it off. There we go. Once you turn off the visibility, final step for our game to actually go ahead and make it work, we're going to be adding a script to the local script. Now don't forget, all these scripts, they're going to be in the description, so you can copy and paste them. But the important part is that if you change the Pirates or the Vikings, you made them different names, change the names from here as well. And if you change the color for your teams, you didn't do really red, you did for example a different type of color, for example bright red, just write bright red over here. Okay, but that's all, so let's go ahead, test it out, make sure everything is working. We're in the game, and there, as you can see, we're in the choosing team, so let's choose our team, change team, and let's go to the Pirates team. There we go, we respawned in the Pirates team. Let's change our team once more, let's go to the Vikings team, and there we go. So we respawned and we went to the Vikings team. The player can keep on changing their team as many times as they wish. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video and you found the video helpful as well. If you did, don't forget to like and also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you all for viewing. I'll see you again in the next one.